Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now, kinda sucks that I don't have a computer because it's hard for me to get out and upload videos. But, as you can see in front of us, this is a motor out of a furnace. I'm going to show you how to get those out. Hopefully it won't give me no issues, but it probably will. So, well, the first thing is we take this little guy off first. So, might want to turn down your sound. There, that's simple. Now, if this tests good, then I'll sell it on eBay for $5. And the rest of that is scrap. Okay, then this is somewhat of a tedious. Oh, that's it right there. Okay, so what you want to do is just loosen this bar. Sometimes it'll come off easy, sometimes it won't. And sometimes it will just spin. See if this one see if I can get these on there. Or jam it in there so it won't turn. Just maybe like that. Unfortunately, I do not have any more tools that'll fit down in here. I took a ride by the maybe this will stop it. I took a ride by the construction site today, and it'd also be nice if I was going the right way too, to see if they had any sheets of plywood. So I talked to the foreman. He told me to come back Wednesday or Thursday. He might have a few sheets that are damaged. I was like, okay, I'll be back then. So, see if I can get this on there now. And this way it might be a little bit faster. You don't want to take it all the way off. Well, should be loose. Yeah, it's loose. Okay, once you got that loose, then flip it over. And down here you're going to see this little guy. Just oh wait, and just loosen that. So I'm sure some of you have tried to take these apart, and it doesn't take very long. Oh yeah, and here's a quick update. I did talk to my doctor. She went ahead and sent the referral, so I can talk to the surgeon to see what my options are. And then you just take a hammer, see, this is the hard part because it's so far down in there. But this, you do have a little bit of leeway underneath to do this. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. And sometimes you're just all the way down to it, but it won't. So just prop your leg under it like that, because you just want a little bit of room for this thing to slide out. And then you just keep banging on it. And then you check, see how it's somewhat moved. Kind of like stuck. So come over here and kind of straighten it out. And right. A little bit more straight. No, it's not. Now, why is it coming out at an angle? Is this still loose, or do I have to loosen it some more? Yeah, that's what it is. It's binding up. So, okay. I'm just trying to get you guys a better shot. Oops, that ain't it. I just had another one. There it is. So put that on there, jam the screwdriver in there, and just unloosen it some more. Yeah, my fingers are not that long. There we go. So that's about all that's going on with me. That's if you guys wanted to know. Who knows? You guys might not want to know. There. That's all the way done. Shouldn't be binding now. We'll give it a couple more whacks and see what happens. It should come out. Nothing else holding it in. And then there we go. Tells me that it's getting close. So just prop it up on its side. I'm just trying to give you guys a better angle. I am going to make a special table for this. I'm going to find a table. I'm going to cut a hole in the middle of it so this I can just lay on its side like this and just pound them out and let the motor fall to the ground. Should almost be out. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. This is the hardest part of this whole thing. Just trying to get this motor out, or bang it out. Like I said, some will come out very easy. some will not. Oh, here, let's try it this way. And they're also very heavy. And my hands are very weak. There. Portable table with plenty of room. And then just hold on to the screwdriver while you're doing it. There we go. This becomes scrap. And there is your motor. And I will do a video on those shortly. Yep. So, that didn't work. That didn't work either, and that just hurt my hand. So that's how you take a motor out. Now, sometimes, if you're lucky, and if these wheels look like they're in good condition, clean them up, you might be able to sell them on eBay. Never know. But to do that, find yourself this, get an impact, come over here, just take these off, and then this wheel should, I forgot something. Gonna need a smaller one, right like that. Some you can actually take out of the hole if the hole is big enough, but in this case it is not. So then grab slowly and raise out. And this one still looks to be in good condition. You know, no rust on it. Yes, it could use a cleaning, but find your little bolt, put your bolt back in, or, you know, if you don't want to go through the extra, seeing if you can sell that, just leave it in there and throw it in your scrap pile. That's all you have to do. So, hopefully you guys liked the video. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want, share it. Also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Hit the little bell, and stay tuned for more videos that will be coming out shortly, and we'll go on from there. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. No YouTube poke. Later, Gators.